Here we have the infinite series tangent inverse of Ben, and we want to show that this series diverges. We have shown in an earlier video that if the limit of base of n is not equal to 0, then the infinite series, diverges. And this is called the end term test for divergence. And so we let a sub n be tangent inverse, and we want the limit of base of n so we want to find the limit of tangent inverse of n, and if we look at the graph of tangent inverse of x, so this is the graph for tangent inverse of x, and we can see that as x approaches infinity, or x gets larger and larger and larger, the y approaches pi over 2. So as x gets larger and larger and larger, y will go to pi over 2. Then the limit of this function right here is equal to pi over 2, meaning as x gets larger, as x approaches infinity, the y approaches pi over 2. So that tells us that the limit of tangent inverse of n is equal to pi over 2, which is not 1, which is not equal to 0, and therefore by end term test for divergence, the infinite series tangent inverse of n diverges. And so the limit of base of n is not equal to 0, then the infinite series diverges. And so we have shown that the infinite series tangent inverse of n diverges.